Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a new version of Firefox that is now available. Firefox 154 has been released. If you go into your upper right hamburger menu, go down to Help and About Firefox, you will be moved to version 154. Contains a few changes. One is a security change for the local connections to the local network. There's now if a website requires connection to the local network, there will be a pop-up that will notify you that something's happening with a prompt to say yes or no. There's a few things with AI, including AI helping you when you have multiple tabs to regroup them and even suggest names for the tabs, making things a little easier. There's a lot of bug fixes also in here. But if you don't really care for the new features, what is really important, 59 security fixes. So there were 59 flaws discovered in Firefox. The majority of them are high severity. There's no critical. And a lot of them are moderate and low, but the majority really high severity. So it's really important to update your browser, at least for the security flaws, and move on to new version 154. Also, if you had some issues, there's quite a long list of bug fixes too. So there's a lot of things that were fixed in this browser version if you had problems. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.